Hi, my name is Elise, and this is just a little video that I put together of the weekend trip I took celebrating my birthday. This is the cutest little cabin we got to stay in up in the mountains of Pennsylvania. The first thing I do when I get to any rental place is I explore the entire place. And we had this beautiful view of the water with a fire pit to enjoy. And inside we had lots of good food. We walked around a bit and then enjoyed one of the most delicious chocolate cakes I've ever had. And then we enjoyed a bonfire before bed. Waking up to this view was so idyllic. Then I made breakfast and got ready before heading out for a hike. Almost immediately upon arrival, we saw our first waterfall of the trip. We continued along to find the main attraction, the bigger waterfall. Then we decided to continue the trail and go up. This place is just so beautiful in every nook and cranny. Leave a comment if you know what this is, please. Thank you. We stopped by this spot for a little while and even found a fossil. But then we started making our way back. And fantastic fungi was totally worth the hype. Another beautiful wake up in the cabin. I went by the water this morning to meditate and journal. Then I discovered this bench on this rocky beach that had a beautiful view of the water as well. And then I teleported to this gorgeous area. We decided to take the long route to see the most of the place and enjoy all of its beauty. And there sure is a lot of it. We stopped for a snack at this gorgeous spot before continuing on. The views never stopped viewing, and the falls never stopped falling. Folks, I present to you the Niagara Falls of Pennsylvania. And then I teleported to a beautiful, quiet lake. I got to see some turtles. And an abandoned cabin. Don't worry, I didn't go in. I literally just stuck my phone in there. Even that scared me. And then we kept on going. Spotting turtles and enjoying the view. Beaver's hard at work. And this was our final drive back to the cabin. We chatted on the porch as it gently rained into the night, and then woke up the next day to a beautiful foggy morning. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, peace out.